Hey guys, this is Razvan and Dragos, and today we're going to show you how to clean heavily tarnished sterling silver. This works for chains, jewelry, rings, bracelets, anything. So first you're going to need some aluminum foil. Next you'll need some baking soda, a large enough bowl. It doesn't have to be metal, it can be anything. And then some hot water. So however you get it, we're going to use an electric kettle. It has to be boiling though. And now let's take a look at the chains we're going to clean. Okay, so the first step, you want to break enough aluminum foil so it covers the bowl, and you want to make sure it's on the shiny side up. So the jewelry is gonna stand on the right side. As you can see, it's shinier than the left. So you want to make sure it's on the shiny side. You want to make sure it's on this side. Alright, so the next step would be to line the bowl with the aluminum foil. Again, make sure it's the shiny side up. And then you want to place the chains inside the bowl. Next, you want to put some baking soda on them. You want to be liberal and have a lot. Just to make sure it's covered. Okay, now once you have it covered, you're going to want to boil the water and then put it on it. Alright guys, so it's been about 20-25 minutes. As you can see, the water is dirty, it's warm. Now we're going to go pour the water out and then wash them with some soap, and then we're going to show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is the finished product after one round. If you want, you can go ahead and do another round. That will help. Ours weren't that bad, so we're just going to do one round for now. But you can do it again if you want.